Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your cargo lights and your third brake light on a Ford F-150 2018. Follow me and watch these steps easily. First, I already unscrewed 2 of them because these do take a minute to get them out. Just be patient because this feels like it takes forever to get them out because they're long screws. Believe me, you'll be done in no time. Here's the second one. Once you're done unscrewing, easily remove the panel. Remember this, the whole entire part, this outer rim, easily pops up. Now, you might want to just kind of like lean it like this so that you can get to the third brake light. Let's twist to the right. It should easily pop off. And there, you will find your old halogen light. These pop right out once you pull easily. I have a nice belly to hold this up. We're going to do our upgrade with our LED light AUXITO. Look at this egghead shape compared to this Star Wars lightsaber looking. Now, make sure that the white part enters the white. Add a little pressure, it should pop right in. Go ahead and match this, and now you twist to the left. Now that you're done replacing your third brake light, you can do the same for the cargo lights. They're all the same lights, so it's all in the same package. They're not specific. Once you're done with that, go ahead, put this right back in here, snap it in, and you're ready to screw. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make the switch. Feel the difference.